Good morning, YouTube. We're going to be doing a cabin air filter for a 2015 Honda CRV. They're pretty simple. You don't actually need any tools, so you just make sure you get your right air filter. This is the one that I got from O'Reilly's. You can choose your own brand. They have all different types of levels of clean air, but the basic one's good for me. So anyway, you're going to open your passenger drawer. Drop your glove box down. Just take out all your junk out of your glove box. And then see if I can do it with one hand. So you're gonna squeeze this edge and this edge together. Push both sides in, and you'll get it to drop down. So all you're doing is you're moving this latch and this latch off of the catch that's in there. And then the next step is you got this little arm that you got to take off. You can see it's got kind of knurled spots for it, so all you're doing is you're going to disconnect it from this rod right here. So you just kind of lift up and push. Try not to break that because it's plastic and chintzy. And then that opens this up, and you got two little clips. You got one clip here, one clip here. So you just press the clip, pull it, press the clip, pull it, and this little door comes off. And then this is your filter here. So then you just grab it, kind of slide it out, and these get pretty gross. I changed this about a year ago, I think a little over a year. But you can see just how dingy and all this stuff that's in here. It's pretty impressive how much it actually takes out. So if you're in an area with a lot of pollen or just debris in the air, you should change this pretty often, or whenever your AC starts to stink a little bit or smell bad. Yeah, so there's that. And then you can see there's arrows here, so that indicates direction of flow. So you want to make sure that matches that. See the airflow there? So you want to make sure those arrows are pointed in the same direction as these arrows. And that's it. So you drop that, and then you get your new one out. And these are like 20 bucks. They're not very expensive. This is definitely something you can do on your own at your house without paying for the dealership to change this for you. Sorry, I'm trying to get it out of the bag here. It's the hardest part with one hand. Right. So then, got our new filter. You can see how much better that looks. And then you got airflow down, and then you're just gonna put that in. And it's not square. See how that's the wrong way? So it's not a square. It's a little bit rectangular. But you just want to make sure, again, that your arrows are facing the right way. And push it in. Make sure it's all the way in. It is. And then just make sure this doesn't have a bunch of junk on it. But this one's pretty good. And then this one doesn't matter which way, I don't think. You just clip it back on there. And then you're gonna lift your box up. And you're gonna push this arm kind of back behind that and clip it back on. And then just push your glove box back up. Make sure it closes right. Cool, it's all good. And then you can reinstall your stuff that's in yours. I don't actually have too much. That's it. I don't know what the interval is on this. I bet it says somewhere. It says it's recommended. Sorry, that's in Spanish. Recommended every year or 15,000 miles. So I do it when I change the oil. Actually, no, I don't. I change it every 2 oil changes. I do it, so because it's a 10,000 mile oil change on these. So, but anyway, there's the part number, and they have like ones that take out like all the allergens out of the air and stuff too. But this is just a regular one. So anyway, all right. Thanks for watching.